I'll try and get through this quick. There's a fair bit to show, but this is the wireless transmission of energy, and it's based on the work by Dr Ronald Stiffler, Spatial Energy Cohesion, where all of the vicinity around this tower and the matter around the tower is energized, and it's kind of like a manifestation of chi energy. And I'm using a modified Slayer 007 circuit, just single transistor. I've got an earth ground. There's a wire there that runs out the door and into a post in the ground, and that seems to give me a little bit more brightness with the oscillations of the earth. The power source today is a 5 volt, about 5 volts of lithium battery, and I've made some Avramenko plugs here, which are just a light emitting diode and 2 diodes hanging off the base of that. Okay, nothing plugged in, and this is the only way really to measure the energy that's being cohesed around this tower. So I've just plugged in the power source. You can see when I get the LED close to the tower it lights up. I'm not actually touching the tower there. If I do touch it, it gets quite bright. There's a single wire hanging off here, and if I touch that, it's super bright. I've got another LED here, slightly bigger, and if I just get it close, you can see there it lights up all around this thing. Okay, so I've also got a neon bulb, which is I think it requires about 40 to 60 volts to light up, and touching the wire down here it gets very bright. In the top here it works as well, so inside of it, neon light. I've got a 4 watt fluorescent tube here, which really does well. There you can see it not quite touching the tube there, it's parallel with it. I'm getting good light out of that. If I touch the wire down the bottom, it's very, very bright. Okay, you can put this down inside the tube. I've also got a CFL that I picked up nice and cheap from a hardware shop. They were $1 each, they were marked incorrectly, so I snapped those up. Just worth it for the inside components, which I've gutted. And I get good light out of that too. You can see there it's lighting up. Inside there I get good light by putting it inside the tube as well. And so all around, just putting it down next to the tube, get good light out of that. Okay, I've got a glass of water here. It's actually instant snow, which is a chemical you can put in it that turns it to fake snow, but it holds the moisture really well. And I've got a piece of tin foil around the outside of the cup. There's a wire going from inside that glass of snow into some plant matter and an aluminium rod laying across the top of the plant matter. And you can see just getting the lead near the glass there, it's quite bright. Touching the glass gets super bright. The water inside is also hot if I touch that. And the plate over here, just getting near the plate, it lights up. Touching the earth gets very bright. And the aluminium rod that I've got running down there, it's also hot. It lights up that 10mm lead as well, and this one. And so the whole system is energized. Over here at the battery I get light. One of the resistors on the circuit, kind of anywhere on the circuit, is lit up. So everything around here is energized. And yeah, so I've got a bit of experimentation to do. I'm getting a bit of a headache from this. But as I say, it could be from the beer I drank last night. I'll have to do some more experimenting with this and some more drinking to see which one caused that. But overall, extremely fascinating, and I'll be playing with this a bit more, maybe trying to up the voltage a bit. The light's a bit dark. It's night time now. I'm running a single wire out my window, probably about 30 foot away from the exciter, and I'm got my little Avramenko plug here, and you can see a bit of light when I get it near the glass. It's a glass of water. The wire's wrapped around it. When I put it in the water, I get bright light out of the lead. Okay, so that's running single wire transmission about 30 foot outside at night, running around a glass of water. Okay, same thing, I'm running the wire outside up onto the clothesline, and I'm getting good light out of that as well. Okay, just touching the wire, and there's the little plug and the peg next to it. Okay, you can see I've got the wire connected to the clothesline, and when I touch the plug onto the clothesline, you can see there I get a bit of light. You can see I've got the wire running around the handle of the clothesline, and just turn the light off here. If I touch the plug on the clothesline, I get light, and that's from touching actually on the clothesline, not on the wire at all. So it seems that the clothesline handle is hot.